Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit share, like, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Today we're gonna do Milanesa Napolitana. Let's get to it. All right, prep time. We're gonna need 2 cloves of garlic, finely diced. Watch your fingers. We're gonna put this in a bowl. We're also gonna need some cilantro, finely chopped as well. And then we're also gonna place it back into the same bowl as the garlic. We're also gonna need 2 eggs, uno and dos. We're also gonna need milk. We're gonna need some salt, so sprinkle, sprinkle. There you go. We're also gonna need some black pepper. And then we're gonna mix everything together. This is gonna be the marinade for our meat. Then we're gonna take our thin sliced beef. We're gonna go ahead and pour that marinade that we just did. And we're gonna mix everything together. And we're gonna let it rest for about 30 minutes. While that's resting, we're gonna go ahead and move on and do a salad. So let's go ahead and get our butter lettuce. We're gonna go ahead and chop it up. Place it into the bowl. I'm also gonna have some cucumbers. I'll peel the outside and then chop the cucumbers. Like so. Place that into the bowl. And I like to use heirloom tomatoes. It adds color. I like adding color to the food. We're gonna do our own vinaigrette. So we're gonna need red wine vinegar. We're also gonna need some olive oil. We're gonna need some mustard, so we're gonna squeeze the mustard and some maple syrup. I also like to add some minced onion and about half of a lemon. Squeeze the juice, squeeze! And then we're gonna mix together. And that's our vinaigrette. Let's go ahead and pour that over the lettuce. And now, we're gonna go ahead and prep our meat. So we're gonna take our thin sliced beef, we're gonna put it in panko and cover it all up. You're gonna do that for all your pieces of meat. Like so. Then we're gonna drink us some olive oil over it, drizzle, drizzle. We're gonna take it, we're gonna go ahead and place this in the oven for about 25 minutes at 350. All right, then we're gonna take it back out. And we're gonna go ahead and put some tomato sauce on all 3 pieces like so. And we're gonna go ahead and put provolone cheese. You can choose any cheese you like. I'm gonna choose provolone. Voila, everything's covered like so. And we're gonna go ahead and place it back in the oven for about 15 minutes or until the cheese melts. And there you go. All right guys, and there you have it. Milanesa Napolitana. Let's give it a shot. Try some lemon. Good piece. Looks good. Hot. See you on the next one.